me namso na wuhu se MPP na aye we na around that time no ohini bi say MPP ba ye na infrastructure no enyina asai na am say eh e dija wan ye de aso awo amamu adin the MPP aye me kura railway me hu se bi kura beti man so da ye da se bi betuma ko Volta region man so da ye da not even ahemfo no kura na son sa da ye no se bi beko and so na Addo dan ko akufu ado onam ho no mo pan na ko hwehwe bridges ene ade yes railway no afansuo no so sa aba inipa ye say ya on sabaso body e lo se de enu na wo se MPP itimi ton yetimi kire Ghana fo na we ho hwe emire bia no se MPP war NDC war only one strategy see painting MPP black you be bia painting black no machinery
and you be ha ye chief priest who read the Bible what there bia na ye prophet aka no ho and this what ho a and enye ye Bible no a wo kote ho a it's not our Bible. And the Bible is a good book. Read it and get yourself equipped. Why? Mo bi am bedada. And the constitution will be because of John Dramani Mama. Mafia prophet your friend say. Akoya momo aringa yo meya ye koka say ye weakness. Ufun. Na jagezi se geza o se gezi o se wan no. Ebe shem kom say ohun Masa, who did me a witty hu bibi o? A hun crack kawa, witty hu bibi. Who imagine bibi create me by so, and tin I'm paying for Cassabi say, the awareness one and pimpy a decodying. And I know they were just by the way. I will some more measure that out by life and mathematically, made me board basi me chiha. Naya ye, near TTBF from Nabon say, or Mampany that John Dramani Mama were dinning Nina as president, were dear we say bad performance and incompetent performance plan and fanema constitution no man intimi tena akunya no so bio to where they are mama bye bye that was just and the man we say me bad journalism no so bio and this utimi kwatena from say $2,000. How much is $2,000? Yemfanto na brantie we semansa boy so ya brantie so ya kokora you can't tell. Etimi betena ho di na Addo danko akufu Addo atem sebi wabusu ya panyin po na Addo ajanan ewe animonyam chen wabusu ya panyin. Me say this you know there ye ni mo kon mu gamu me say na Addo ajanan kura wa animonyam chen wabusu ya panyin. O papa wuni ene wo senso omo betima asua de abaye president ni bio nti encourage omo no omo embe sua de no omo bedi na efa sa nyansa no mom ko jisika apia stadium will never under any circumstance lie between try to John Dramani Mahama. So no, we've listened to him, we followed him for some time, we know so on yes ada and the old channel home back no damage control. The God of Nana Addo is still at work, so the battle is still the Lord's. Yeah, me kai Bible mu asembia isi ya King Jehoshaphat. Na tamfo ban so. Now he believed and trusted in God. And he ojemuada e bompa yesu guasafora. This will say, oh my God, my enemies come forth. Weak I am to face them. Na onyankopon emana kwanchere se. Mudi amukwa munko hide in the valley. Ewo bonhwanim. Mu hide wo mu a. Just keep calm. Na monhwe die besi. Enti Jehoshaphat and the army of the Israelites and the Israelites eko hide wo bonhwanim. No mo hwe die asafo Awurade beye. And in Sri Lanka, Safora didn't say, atamfo o ma ba so omo no omo beko no omo ankasa twa wo omo ho confusion epiem omo ekunkum omo ho nyina. And this is what the God of Nana Addo is doing in the NDC camp. And the battle is the Lord's, so no. This is just a tip of the iceberg. More will come. We have information. More will come. You see, I catch you almost say, Momun Jani Nambum. A woman, no matter Bakwabitum. Near Yaquine, I discuss it, near elaborate upon, near a man for how wicked the NDC as a political party is. Near Ghana for what Siasia, the concurrence crassi. Yet Tichabobo Yasu Bomude Uro Kromuni the MPP for Munyai Kromuno because Kromuno Sebi previous Amencas will beat a Krasia Nuajim Kromuno Oma or education level near high will Krom and you wouldn't mean fan Nadan Bianco Dada will be a woho. Now yen no moon won't cry or wouldn't the air quad the air back. Yen Raho, Yen Church the moon said the Mutini na or Majisica. And do this 1 year sika or kasa manimfa dance yembra. Impanfo so tumbra no akire sie. And to obi be kan na do ho asem bone a manin tumre no a owia manin kire sie. Se sie we so na mitumre no. Ne nyina yen kohwese ampa. And journalism na ukoka obi you are doing a fantastic job. But most style of journalism ne dey e work a cake. E bogus. Obi of Asampa FM. My style of journalism a cake. What type of journalism is journalism? No, my is a referee. And sometimes it pains me say, Metsi say, Obi say, I leave it to the Ghanaians to judge. Meanwhile, Kotokone has a bobo na referee ujinem finfi. Na has near Chakotoko player buni name was I leave it to the spectators. Would you a referee na ujina ho? Na Kotokonye chahasi ni o piano. Where that reminds me of Joe Henry's Kotoko legend. Maybe na Kotokone has a bobo
tax. Ain't possible. Uti fetish of mine. O baby free tax into Oma or man best sinki by next 30 years. Unti me. There is no government I will bet my bam with that tax I will bet my achieve. Ain't possible. Fatu trim. Say a joke, a concert, or the white being diagro. Only the white being a diagro. There is no president. I will bet me about cancel taxes. I will bet my achieve for so trim. Or back to trim say ya on timing yet. Or back about be increasing because with that tax system, untimi achieve. And one thing I was here, you are benefit no. Tax ni petue ni kromo hase no si e ka enye so eso mfaso ne yedie no nye so mfaso kwa no enu na madam for make an na say Ghana kota dia ye je over atena me wagimi o e hwa na me fu am koto ye we see